Hello my dear students, welcome back to CMI's online classes. In today's class, in this video, we'll study the new chapter from our English grammar for the students of Standard 6. And the new chapter is Chapter 8, Adverbs. So, in this chapter, we will understand adverbs with their definitions and examples, the kinds of adverbs with the definitions of each and with examples. So at first we will understand what are adverbs. So adverbs are those words that qualify verbs. So how do adverbs qualify verbs? Adverbs qualify verbs by giving us more information about the verbs. Verbs means actions. So, action taken place. So, adverbs tell us more about the action. How? By telling us where the action took place, by telling us where the action took place, by telling us when the action took place, and also by telling us for how many times the actions took place. So adverbs ऐसे शब्द है जो हमें verbs के बारे में बताते हैं. Verbs means action words. So actions, काम जो भी हुआ है वो हमें उसके बारे में और ज्यादा जानकारी देते हैं adverbs. So किस तरीके से? इस तरीके से जैसे वो हमें काम के बारे में बताते हैं कि काम कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, कितनी बार हुआ. Understood? So depending upon all these ways of qualifying actions, qualifying verbs, there are kinds of adverbs also. But not only these, the functions of adverbs are many. The functions of adverbs is not only to qualify verbs. They also tell us more about adjectives and another adverbs or other adverbs. So adverbs का काम सिर्फ verbs के बारे में बताना नहीं है. verbs के बारे में तो वो हमें बताते ही है, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ वो हमें adjectives के बारे में भी कुछ और जानकारी देते हैं, as well as वो खुद adverb है और दूसरे adverb के बारे में भी हमें कुछ जानकारी देते हैं. Understood? How? We will understand in this chapter with explanation and examples. So if you see on the screen, you can see there we have a warm-up section here, warm-up exercise here, in which it is written there, circle the adverbs in these sentences. So here we have 10 sentences. So after reading each sentence, we have to identify adverbs there. But at first, to complete this exercise, I think we need to understand adverbs properly. So at first we will understand adverbs. As I told you, adverbs are those words that qualify verbs, adjectives and another adverbs. That means they tell us more about verbs, they give us more information about verbs, as well as they give us more information about adjectives and another adverb in sentences. Okay, so let us find out now what are adverbs here. Okay, so let us see from sentence 1. Number 1 is Gayatri left early. So at first, to identify adverbs, we have to identify verbs. Okay, so what is the verb here? Gayatri left early. So here left is verb. So what is the word here? Which is the word here that tell us something about this verb left? The word early. He left when? Early. So early is adverb here. Okay. Now see here. Sentence number 2. I will meet you tomorrow. So what is the verb here? Meet. I will meet you. But when? Tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb here. Understood? Now see the third sentence. Grandpa snored loudly. What is the verb here? Snowed. खराटा मारा. Grandpa ने खराटा मारा, लेकिन how? कैसे? Loudly. Okay, so loudly is adverb here. Understood? Now the next is my father drives carefully. So how my father drives? Carefully. So what is the verb here? Drives. But how does my father drive? He drives carefully. So carefully is adverb because it tells us about the action of driving. Understood? Now see here, the next one, sit here. This is imperative sentence. This is an imperative sentence. So sit here. What is the verb here? Sit. But where? Here, place. So here is the place of action. So this is an adverb. Okay, now sentence number 6. He shouted angrily. What is the verb here? He is the subject. What is the action done by the subject? He shouted. So how did he shout? Angrily. So shouted is verb and angrily is the word that tells us something more about the verb shouted. So angrily is the manner of the action being done here. So it is angrily is an adverb. Now see the 7th sentence. We waited patiently in the queue. So we waited patiently. What is the verb here? Waited. Past form of the verb wait. So how did he wait? How did we wait? Patiently. So patiently is adverb here because it tells us about the how of the action. Understood? Now exercise sentence number 8. The dog growled ferociously. So the dog growled. What is the action word here? Growled. How is this action being done? Ferociously. So growled is verb and ferociously is adverb here. Now the next question. So sorry, we have 12 sentences here. So the 9th sentence is I often go to the park. So what is the verb here? Go. So how many times do I go to the park? Often. So often. So this is often is the word that tells us more about the action of going. So often is adverb and go is verb. Understood? Now see the 10th sentence. I never eat parathas for breakfast. So what is the verb here? Eat. So how many times do I eat paratha? Never. Never. Okay, so never is the word that tells us something about the action of eating. So eat is verb and never is adverb. Understood? Now the 11th sentence. I rarely watch plays. So how many times do I watch plays? Rarely. Rarely means बहुत कम, कभी कभार. Understood? Very less, very few times. So here rarely is the word that tells us something about the action of watching. So action of watching. So watch here is the action, so it is a verb here. But how is the action of watching being done here? Rarely. So rarely is adverb. Now the 12th and the last sentence here is the students always speak in English. So the students speak in English, but when? Always. So speak is verb and always is adverb. Okay. So what we have seen here is, so here whatever the adverbs are used here, they have qualified verbs in so many ways, like by telling us the how about the action, by telling us when about the action, by telling us where about the action, and by telling us how many times about the actions. So these all words have given us more information about the verbs by telling us manner of the actions, by telling us place of the actions, by telling us how often the action being done or where the action being done. Understood? So depending upon these, we have the kinds of adverbs also. So we can see the definition of adverb here. An adverb is a word that describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So adverbs का काम क्या है? वो हमें verbs के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानकारी देते हैं. Verbs means action. So तो किस तरीके से वो हमें एक्शन के बारे में बताते हैं? इस तरीके से कि जो एक्शन, जो काम हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, हाउ, कहाँ हुआ है, वेयर एंड कितने बार हुआ है, हाउ ऑफन एंड एंड कब हुआ है, when. So depending upon these, see, we have many kinds of adverbs that we will understand in this video only. So an adverb also describe adjectives or another adverbs. How? And depending upon these also we have another kind of adverbs. Okay. So what are the kinds of adverb and how they qualify verb, we will understand now in detail. See the kinds of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs. So mostly we have 5 kinds of adverbs. So mostly the kinds of adverbs depend upon how they qualify verbs, and also how they describe adjectives and other adverbs. Okay. So the first kind of adverb is adverbs of manner. Manner. Adverbs of manner tell us about the how of the action. So जो भी काम हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है. Okay. See, an adverb that tells us the manner in which an action takes place is called an adverb of manner. वो adverb, वो words, वो adverbial words जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो काम हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, how. Then those adverbs are adverbs of manner. Like the princess and the prince lived happily. Lived is verb, लेकिन कैसे जिए? Happily. So how did the princess and prince live? They lived happily. So happily is the word that qualify the action of living. So happily is adverb and it is an adverb. It is the adverb of manner. The second example, the students listened to their teacher carefully. How did the student listen to their teacher? They listened carefully. So the action of listening is being done carefully. So carefully is adverb and it is the adverb of manner. Now the second kinds of adverb is adverbs of time. So as I told you, adverbs qualify verbs by telling us when of the action. So adverbs of time tell us about when the action took place. An adverb that tells us the time at which an action takes place is called an adverb of time. So वो adverb जो हमें action के time के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो जो काम हुआ है कब हुआ है, that is an adverb of time. Like he came yesterday. So what is the verb here? Came. So when is the action of coming taking place? Yesterday. So when did the action of coming take place? When did the action of coming take place? Yesterday. So yesterday tells us about the time of action. So yesterday is an adverb here. So it is an adverb of time. Okay. Now next example, he will come soon. So what is the verb here? Come. So when will he come? Soon. So soon is the word here that tells us more about the action of coming. But when? Soon. So soon is an adverb here and it is an adverb. It is the adverb of time because it tells us about the time of action. So those adverbial words that tell us about the time of action, when the actions take place, then those adverbs are adverbs of time. Okay. Now the third kinds of adverb is adverbs of place. Place. So adverbs of place tell us about the place of action. So adverbs of place are those adverbs that tell us about the action of place of action. ओके, वेयर द एक्शंस टेक प्लेस। वो एडवर्ब्स जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो भी काम हुआ है कहाँ हुआ है, तो वो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है। जैसे वी आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड, सो व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर? वेटिंग। सो वेयर इज द एक्शन ऑफ वेटिंग टेक प्लेस? आउटसाइड। So outside is the place where the action is being taken place here. So outside is an adverb here and it is the adverb of place. Okay. See. Next is let us sit inside. Let us sit. So what is the verb here? Sit. So where is the action of place of action taking place? Inside. So inside is the place where the action takes place here. So inside is an adverb here and it is the adverb of place. Understood? Now the fourth kind of adverbs is adverbs of frequency. So frequency means the frequent action, not the regular action. It tells us about the frequent action. How often about the action, जो काम हुआ कितने बार हुआ है. Like here we have the definition here. An adverb that tells us how often an action occurs is called an adverb of frequency. So यहाँ पर हमें बता रहे हैं कि वो adverbs जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि जो भी काम हुआ है कितनी बार हुआ है. Okay? Sometimes, many times, always, never, कितनी बार. Okay? So if those adverbial words that tell us about the how often of the action, then those adverbs are adverbs of frequency. Like example, I meet her daily. So I meet her daily. So verb, the verb is meet here. So when do I meet her? Daily. So daily is the action. How often the action takes place here? Daily. So daily is adverb of frequency. He always helps me. How many times does he help me? Always. So how often the actions take place here? Action takes place here? Always. So this is adverb of frequency. Okay. Like often, always, daily, never, sometime, many times. All these are the examples of adverbs of frequency. Now the another kind of adverbs here which does not qualify verbs but qualifies an adjective or another adverb. This is adverb of degree. Okay, an adverb that describe the intensity of an action, an adjective or another adverb is known as an adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. जो भी काम हुआ है कितना हुआ है. Okay, how much of the action. For examples, her work is almost over. So her work is almost over. So here almost is the word that tells us about the intensity of action. Okay, over, but how much over? Almost over, nearly finished. So this is the adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. So adverbs of degree हमें how much of the action के बारे में बताते हैं. Okay, और वो हमें adjectives के बारे में बताते हैं या तो वो हमें दूसरे adverb के बारे में बताते हैं. Okay, like we have example here. Jaya is very beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective here. Okay, so we are telling about the intensity of her beauty. So how much beauty is she? Is Jaya? Very beautiful. So very is the word that here describe or qualify adjective. So here if the word that qualifies adjective, that is also an adverb, and here the word very is used to qualify the adjective beautiful here. So here the word very is adverb and it is the adverb of degree. Dad was rather busy. Okay, so Here busy is adjective here. So how much is my father busy? Rather busy. Okay. So rather is the word that qualify adjective here. Now see here. He drove quite dangerously. He drove quite dangerously. If you write he drove dangerously, then also the sentence is correct. But dangerously. Here dangerously is also an adverb here. Okay, what is the intensity of danger here? Quite. So quite is the word that is qualifying another adverb here. So it itself is also an adverb, and it is the adverb of, quite is adverb of degree. Okay, I hope you have understood all the kinds of adverbs. We have 5 kinds of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Okay, so in our another video we will understand the place and position of adverbs, and also the degree of comparison of adverbs. Okay, so this much for today's class, students. I hope you have already understood adverbs and the kinds of adverbs very properly. If any confusion is still there, kindly inform me during the class hour so that we can solve all the problems and confusion and move ahead properly. Okay, thank you so much, students.